In this video, I'll show you how to display the product SKU value on the product page in Shopify Horizon theme. At first, make sure to log into your Shopify admin account. Once you're in the Shopify dashboard, on the left side of the screen, under Sales Channels, click on the Online Store. Now look for your current theme, like is Horizon, and then select Add a Theme. Once the theme editor loads, at the very top, click on Drop Down, then select Products, Default Product. On the left side of the screen, under Template, expand the Product Information section, and then expand Header, and then click on Add Block. Make sure the Blocks tab is selected, then scroll all the way down. Under Product, click on SKU. As you can see, the SKU value is now displayed above the title. Let's move it underneath. Let's drag it right here. And finally, at the top right corner, click on Save. Once the changes are saved, allow a few minutes for them to update. Then go back to your product page and try refreshing it. And as you can see, the product SKU value is now displayed right here. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found it useful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please come to my channel. Thank you.